Today, I'm going to recommend you the best anime list in this video. If you enjoy this video, please do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new, then remember to turn on notification for more upcoming top 10 videos. So, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Number 10. In another world with my smartphone. In a thoughtless blunder, God accidentally strikes down Tuya Mochizuki with a stray bolt of lightning. As an apology, God offers him one wish and the chance to live again in a magical fantasy world. Tuya happily accepts the offer and, for his one wish, asks only to keep his smartphone with him as he begins his journey into this mysterious world. Starting over in this new world, Tuya finds it is filled with magic, which he has an affinity for, and cute girls vying for his attention. These girls, the twins Linz and Elza Seluesca, Yumina Urnia Belfast, Lean, and Ye Kokono, provide Tuya with no end of romantic frustrations, but also companionship as he discovers the secrets of this new world. Number 9. 100. When an extraterrestrial organism known as Savage attacks mankind, the only technology capable of combating the enemy is a weapon known as 100. A survivor of a Savage attack, Number 8. Gonna be the Twin Tail. Twin Tails, the glory of all mankind, or at least that is what first-year high school student Soji Mitsuka believes. At school, Soji spends most of his time daydreaming and rating girls' twin tails, even going as far as creating a club dedicated to the hairstyle. His obsession does not go unnoticed, however, when monsters from outer space attack Earth and claim the world's twin tails for themselves. A strange woman named Tuel enlists Soji to fight back using twin tails of his own. By transforming into the twin-tailed warrior Tailred, Soji combats the vicious alien organization known as Ultimagil, whose main goal is to colonize Earth and steal everyone's spiritual energy, or attribute power. Alongside fellow twin-tailed fighters Aika Sub and Arena Shindu, Soji must find a way to defeat the invading army and defend the twin tails he holds so dear. Number 7. Absolute Duo. Individuals who can materialize weapons from their soul are called Blazers, and they attend Koyu Academy High School in order to harness their abilities. Each student is required to partner with another, in the hopes that one day, the pair can attain the power of Absolute Duo. Toru Kokono hopes to attend this academy in order to gain power after his sister and friends were slain by a mysterious man. However, at the opening ceremony, he is forced to duel against the person sitting next to him, with the loser being expelled. As Toru prepares to give the match his all, it is not a weapon that manifests from his soul, but a shield, an irregularity which catches the attention of a foreign student named Julie Sikuna. Number 6. Oni Ai. After their parents' deaths, brother and sister Akito and Akiko Himenikoji were forced to live with separate families for 6 years. But now they have finally reunited and begin to live together. It quickly becomes apparent that Akiko harbors romantic feelings for her brother, however, Akito only sees her as a sibling. When 3 more girls, Anastasia Nasuhara, Arashi Nikedu, and Ginbei Haruomi Savatari, move into their apartment, Akiko's hopes of living alone with her brother vanish. Moreover, these girls also like Akito in one way or another, making it even more difficult for Akiko to gain her brother's undivided attention. As the girls fight over who should take care of Akito, they display various eroticisms that may be a little too much for a normal man to handle. Number 5. Blade Dance of the Elementalists. Takes place at a very prestigious school for holy shrine princesses called Arishia Spirit Academy. At this school, the girls train to be elementalists and try to form slave contracts with spirits so that they can compete in battles against one another. Only females have this privilege, at least until now. Kamito Kazeraya is a normal guy in pretty much all respects except for the fact that he's the first man in 1000 years to be able to form a contract with a spirit which he stole from a shrine princess named Claire Rouge. Additionally, the headmaster of the school, Rayworth, has summoned him to enroll and is forcing him to participate in a special tournament that will take place 2 months down the road. With Claire demanding that he become her contracted spirit, will Kamito even manage to survive the entire 2 months until the tournament takes place? Number 4. The Asterisk War. Ayato Amagiri is a scholarship transfer student at the prestigious Saidukan Academy, which has recently been suffering from declining performances. Through a series of events, he accidentally sees the popular witch of resplendent flames, Julius Alexia von Riesfeld, half-dressed. Enraged, Julius challenges him to a duel for intruding on her privacy. After said duel is voided by the student council president, Ayato reveals that he has no interest in festers. Instead, he has enrolled in the academy to investigate the whereabouts of his missing elder sister. But when a more devious plot unravels, Ayato sets out to achieve victory, while being surrounded by some of the most talented Genesteller on the planet. Number 3. Sekirei. Struggling yet brilliant teenager Minato Sahasi has failed his college entrance exams for the second time, resulting in him being regarded as worthless by those around him. However, the course of his seemingly bleak future is altered dramatically when a beautiful, supernatural woman falls from the sky and into his life. That woman, Musubi, is a unique being known as a Sekirei, a humanoid extraterrestrial with extraordinary abilities. These aliens are known for kissing humans carrying the Ashikabi gene in order to awaken additional latent powers deep within. Recognizing the potential within the seemingly insignificant youth, Musubi kisses the bewildered Minato, initiating a bond between the two of them. This drags him into the high-stakes world of the Sekirei, where he and his new partner must compete against others in a battle for survival called the Sekirei Plan. Number 2. Data Live. Shido Itsuka is a seemingly average high school student who lives with his younger sister, Kotri. When an imminent spatial quake threatens the safety of Tengu City, he rushes to save her only to be caught in the resulting eruption. He discovers a mysterious girl at its source, who is revealed to be a spirit, an otherworldly entity whose appearance triggers a spatial quake. Soon after, he becomes embroiled in a skirmish between the girl and the anti-spirit team, a ruthless strike force with the goal of annihilating spirits. Number 1. High School DxD. High school student Issei Hyudo is your run-of-the-mill pervert who does nothing productive with his life, peeping on women and dreaming of having his own harem one day. Things seem to be looking up for Issei when a beautiful girl asks him out on a date, although she turns out to be a fallen angel who brutally kills him. However, he gets a second chance at life when beautiful senior student Rias Gremory, who is a top-class devil, revives him as her servant, recruiting Issei into the ranks of the school's occult research club. Slowly adjusting to his new life, Issei must train and fight in order to survive in the violent world of angels and devils. Each new adventure leads to many hilarious moments with his new comrades, all the while keeping his new life a secret from his friends and family in High School DxD.